By Mark Scolforo, Associated Press. A hearing on the Trump campaign's federal lawsuit seeking to prevent Pennsylvania officials from certifying the vote results remains on track for Tuesday after a judge quickly denied the campaign's new lawyer's request for a delay. U.S. Middle District Judge Matthew Brann told lawyers for Donald J. Trump for President Inc. and the counties and state election official it has sued that they must show up and be prepared for argument and questioning at the Williamsport federal courthouse. The Trump campaign wants to prevent certification of results that give President-elect Joe Biden the state's 20 electoral votes, suing over election procedures that were not uniform across the state. Pennsylvania Secretary of State Kathy Boockvar has asked to have the lawsuit thrown out, calling its allegations in court filings, at best, garden variety irregularities. Brann scheduled the hearing to discuss the campaign's request for a temporary restraining order as well as the defendant's request to have the case dismissed. After Pittsburgh lawyers dropped out of representing Trump's campaign on Friday, Philadelphia election lawyer Linda Kerns and two Texas lawyers also withdrew Monday. Camp Hill lawyer Mark Scaringi, a losing candidate in the 2012 Republican U. Senate primary, notified the judge he was stepping in, but did not get the delay he sought. The Associated Press has declared Biden the winner of the presidential contest, but Trump has refused to concede and is blocking Biden's efforts toward a smoother transition of power. With Georgia the only uncalled state, Biden has collected at least 290 electoral votes, just enough that overturning Pennsylvania's result would not open an avenue for a second term for Trump. Biden's margin in the state is now nearly 70,000 votes. The Trump legal challenge centers on how some counties let voters fix, or cure, mail-in ballots that lacked secrecy envelopes or had other problems. The president's campaign's lawsuit claims counties' inconsistent practices violated constitutional rights of due process and equal protection under the law and resulted in the unlawful dilution or debasement of properly cast votes. Democratic-heavy counties, the lawsuit alleges, notified voters about the lack of secrecy envelopes or other problems in time for some to fix them, but counties in Republican regions followed the law and did not provide a notice and cure process, disenfranchising many. The lawsuit seeks to stop Boockvar and election boards in 7 Biden-majority counties that are co-defendants from counting absentee and mail-in ballots that the Republican president's campaign claims were improperly permitted to be cured. Boockvar's lawyers described Trump's claims as generalized grievances and speculative injuries that would not warrant throwing out the election results.